In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leave in Outlook Calendar. We'll walk through the process step by step so that your time off is clearly marked. Your colleagues can see your availability, and you don't have to worry about missing important meetings while you're away. First, open Outlook and go to your calendar. You can do this by selecting the calendar icon, usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. Make sure you're looking at the correct calendar, especially if you have multiple calendars connected to your account, such as personal and work calendars. Next, decide how you want your leave to appear. Most people will use either an all-day event or a multi-day appointment. To start, click on the date your leave begins. If it's a single day, just click that specific day. If it's multiple days, you'll be able to adjust the range in a moment. Create a new event by double-clicking on the date or by choosing the New Event or New Appointment option, depending on your version of Outlook. A window will open where you can enter all the details for your leave. In the title or subject line, type something clear and easy to understand, like annual leave, vacation, or out of office. This helps your teammates quickly recognize that you're not available during that period. Now set the start and end dates and times. If you're going to be away for full days, check the all-day option so the event spans the entire day, instead of just a specific time slot. For multi-day leave, adjust the end date so that it covers your entire time away. Double-check these dates so your calendar accurately reflects when you're unavailable. Next, look for the Show As or Busy Status field. Set this to Out of Office. This is important because it tells others scheduling meetings that you're not available at all during that time, rather than just busy or tentative. If you like, add details in the description area. For example, you could note whether you'll be checking emails occasionally or provide a point of contact while you're away. Just remember not to include any sensitive information here. Finally, if your organization shares calendars, make sure the event is set to be visible to the right people. When everything looks correct, click Save or Save and Close. Your leave is now added to Outlook Calendar and clearly marked as out of office.